Hi everyone, in this video we will be learning how to crochet the ladder stitch. You can find the written pattern down below. For this stitch we will be starting with a chain of a multiple of 7 plus 3. And then we will be working into the 4th chain from the hook. We'll make a double crochet. And we'll also double crochet into the next chain. We're going to chain 2 and then skip 2 chains, and then in that next chain we're going to make a double crochet, and then in the next 4 chains we are also going to make double crochets to have 5 double crochets total in a row. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 more. So there we have 5 double crochets in a row. We're going to chain 2, skip 2, and then do 5 double crochets in a row again. And that is the pattern you want to follow all the way across until you get to the end. And I have a really small sample, so this is the end of mine. You'll have 5 stitches left. So you'll chain 2, skip 2, and then double crochet in the remaining 3 chains at the end. So here we have 3 double crochets in the beginning. That beginning chain does count as a stitch. And then we're chaining 2 and skipping 2 in between. And then we have 5 double crochets, or chain 2, skip 2, 5 double crochets. And then you will do that all the way across until you get to the end. When you have 5 stitches left, you'll chain 2, skip 2, and then have 3 double crochets at the end. For row 2, we're going to turn our work, chain up 3, and this chain 3 will count as a stitch, so we're not going to work into this space at all since that counts as a stitch. We're going to go to the next stitch here, make a double crochet in the next, and we're basically just following the pattern of the first row. So in the first row we had 3 double crochets. Here we have 3 double crochets. We're going to chain 2, we're going to skip these chains here, and then we're going to double crochet into these 5 double crochets. Then we're going to chain 2 again, double crochet over our double crochets, chain 2, and then here we are at the end where we only need 3 double crochets. and then that last double crochet will just be on top of that chain 3. And that is it. You'll just repeat row 2. Just remember that once you do your chain 3, that does count as a stitch in the beginning, and then you would just repeat row 2 until you have the height that you need. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new today, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.